Special greetings, my dear students. In previous class, already we seen about the Excel, okay, MS Excel. Now, in this chapter, in this class, we are going to see how we are going to do calculation work. First, I opened MS Excel. Now, this is a blank page. Okay, this is a blank page. Before going to perform calculation, again once we will revise the uh, previous lessons. So book 1, it is a default name. When you are opening another document, file, new document, okay. When you are opening another document, control N is a shortcut, okay. So when you are opening another, so book 2. Whenever why it is telling, why it is mentioning in Excel, book 1, book 2, book 3, because book is holding a bunch of paper. Same way, Excel also hold a bunch of spreadsheets. Default there will be a 3 spreadsheets always. Okay, default there will be a 3 spreadsheets. Now when we are coming in MS Word, what are the components? Same components will be in Excel also, but few will be varying. Okay, only few things will be variation will be. Example here, menu bar, same in a MS Word, and this is a ribbon. Okay, ribbon is consist of what? Groups. Okay, ribbon is consist of groups. Okay, font group, align group, like that. Okay, now here vertical axis, this is a vertical is called what? Column. Okay, this is a column. And horizontal, this is the horizontal is called what? Row. Okay, so a spreadsheet is consist of rows and columns. Okay, and it has a name. Each cell in a spreadsheet has a unique name. Example, I am clicking here. This is a cell I selected, correct? So here C column and a 5 row. So the cell name is a C5. Here you can able to see the name. You can able to see the name. Okay, and how many rows, columns, this all things we seen. Moving around the spreadsheets in our keyboard. Okay, I'm going to open a browser. Okay, so here I'm going to type keyboard. Okay, now when we type a keyboard, okay, now my dear students, kindly see this keyboard. I'm opening as a big opening a new tab. Image clarity is not good. uh, okay, I think this is a little bit okay. Now this is a keyboard. In this keyboard, okay, here you can able to see the arrow keys. Okay, if you press this arrow in Excel, okay, now it is in a D6. Okay, when I press this arrow, 1 minute my dear, I will close one document. Don't say. Okay, now it is in a D6. Now active cell, the selected cell, okay, is called active cell. Now it is in a D6. In a keyboard, if I press this upside arrow, the selected cell will move upside. See, I am pressing arrow key. It is going upside. If I press downside arrow, okay, if I press downside arrow, it will come down. If I press left side, it will go left. If I press right side, it will go right side. Now we can able to see left, right, up, down. Okay, and in a keyboard there is a shortcut also, control plus home. Okay, page up, page down, this all things are there. This all things you have to check. And my dear students, When you're going to learn a programming language, there are many type of data. There are many type of data are there. Okay, data is having many types. But when you are coming to the Excel, you will learn only three type of data. Data means what? Okay, data type means what? Data means information. Okay, data means what? It is a information. Data type means the which way. Okay, data is storing. Example, data can store in a text form. Okay, data can store in a text form also, or numeric form, number form also, or video form. Video also data. MP3 audio song, that also data. Picture also data. Special symbols means data. Data means what? Information. Data type means in a which way we are storing a information. Okay, there are so many types of data is there. There are many types of data, but when you are coming to Excel, you are going to learn only three types. Okay, you are going to learn only three types. What is it? First one is a numbers. Numbers. Second is a text. Third one is a formula. Okay, so only these are the three types we are going to learn. Okay, okay, only these things you are going to learn in a Excel. Okay, only these three type of data. What is a number? 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9 numeric. Whatever number you are going to type, 568 or 89 or 123 or any value, it will come under 0 to 9 values. Okay, text A to Z. Formula, what formula you are going to perform. Okay, this is a simple data type in a MS Excel. You can able to see. Okay, now my dear, uh, we can go to the perform formula. Okay, we can go to perform a formula. Now how we will add a sheets? Default there will be three sheets. If I want to add more, how I will add? Now I'm going to no, my dear, I will teach you the formula. Okay, how to use a formula in a Excel. Now see, I'm going to make one simple rough work. Okay, name, uh, after directly science, math, SST, total. So Raj, Ram, Sam. Okay. Now we are going to do calculation with the Excel formula. Okay, we are going to do calculation with the Excel formula. Now 80 in mathematics, 90, SST 95. Okay, RAM 44, 87, 98. Okay, this is a student names, science, math, SST. Now, in this place, we are going to generate a total with help of a formula. My dear, in this place, kindly you see there is some difference is here. Some variation is here. Can you able to notice what is the difference? Some difference is there between two, means a number and letter. Between these two, some variation is there. We can able to see. Letters means a text always having a left alignment, but numbers always having a right alignment. Okay, this is the thing we have to know. It is an important question also. Numbers are always in a right alignment, text are in always left alignment. Okay, text are always in a left alignment. Now kindly see here, I'm going to generate a total. What are the ways to generate a total? First, whenever you are writing a formula, Whenever you are going to writing a formula, first we should start with the equal sign. First type equal. Okay, mostly. Okay, mostly what we will do whenever we are writing formula, we will write directly LB. Correct? If area of rectangle equal to LB, we will write like this. Correct? Directly we will write what is a formula. But in Excel, we should not write a formula. Here 80, 90, 95. Okay, so we should not write like this. 80 plus 90 plus 56. Okay, means any value. We should not write like this. Okay, if you're writing also, it will give the problem, sorry, it will give the solution. If you're writing like this also, computer will give the solution, it will give the total value. But in Excel, what we have to do, here we directly mention to the value, correct? But in Excel, we should mention the cell address. This 8 is the address is B4, so type B4. Now arithmetic operation. Which operation you would like? If you want to plus, you can give plus. If you want to minus, you can give minus. If you want to divide, you can give divide as your wish. Okay. There is no any restriction. You have to use only this symbol. Here we are going to generate a total. So that's why I am using here plus sign. Okay. Now 90. This is the address of C4. C4. Again plus. See, whenever I am writing, it is auto selecting. Now D4. Now I typed the address. After typing the address, just press enter key. Now what happened? Total is generated. Now in case if I change any value here, okay, now 90 is here, now I am giving 80. 10 less now. See, whenever you are doing modification 100, whenever we do the modification, automatically it is reflecting here. Okay, this is called formula. Now another thing, you know, this is a name box and this is a formula box. In beginning itself, I told you formula bar is used to show the formula. In this cell, there is no any formula, correct? No formula. So it is showing 80 here, no formula 100, no formula 98, no formula 100. Here we used formula, just to select. So it is showing the formula. In formula bar, if cell contains a formula, it will show the formula. In case if it didn't contain a formula, so it will show the existing value. Okay, it shows the existing value. So this is a way. Okay, this is a way of performing calculation. Now another thing is the auto sum. What is the auto sum? Before going to the auto sum, we can do the same calculation with help of functions also. Okay, with help of the functions we can teach I will teach in the next class. Okay, now we can do the auto formula. Just to move your mouse cursor to the corner, it will change into plus sign. Now see, can you able to see plus sign? Click, drag, automatically calculating. This is called auto sum. 89, 85, 50. Automatically it will calculate. You no need to worry, just you type the value, total will be generated. So my dear student, this is a way of calculation. Okay, so within a few weeks, I hope we will complete the second periodic portion also. Okay, thank you my dear students, thanks for watching.